Day 40 of 3D printing every day for 365 days straight for friends, family, function, and fun. Today is day number 2 of the vacation series. Another fun thing that you can do at the Disney parks or on a cruise is pixie dusting, which means giving out little gifts to people. We decided to make little gyro fidget spinners that we can hand out to people, and they turned out so cute. I utilized a silk color changing PLA, and at first they weren't spinning as great as I wanted. So I read that you can spray them with cooking oil, and man, did that really help. I was super surprised. My lovely wife helped me attach the keychain, and I'm so excited to hand these out. Today's print took 9 hours and 42 minutes and cost $7.66.